Yesterday, in a strong and clear decision, Alberta's highest court ruled that the job-killing Bill C69 is an ugly power grab. In her ruling, Alberta's justice states, "History teaches that government by central command rarely works. In Canada, by deliberate choice, is a federation, not a unitary state." And the Prime Minister was very quick yesterday to say that his government would appeal this decision. His tactics are well entrenched, my way or the highway. With all the bright lights around this Prime Minister, how did they not see this overreach would not withstand a constitutional challenge?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
A few years ago on the carbon pricing issue that ended up in our favour at the Supreme Court. The Impact Assessment Act delivered on an important promise we made to Canadians to reform a broken system. While the previous Conservative government passed a bill that gutted environmental protections, we took a different approach. We spent years working with companies, with communities, with Indigenous peoples and more, and that input made Canada's rules stronger. These better rules for major projects restore public trust in the process and protect the environment, advance reconciliation, and ensure that good projects can move forward.
The Honourable Member for Lakeland.
But the truth is, zero pipelines have been proposed or built under these Liberals, and they've killed billions in projects and hundreds of thousands of jobs. The PM ignored experts, workers, Indigenous leaders, investors in every province and territory on Bill C69. The court said it's a, quote, profound invasion, a chokehold on provinces, a wrecking ball that smacks of paternalism and overrides Indigenous agreements. It's uncertain, unpredictable, unquantifiable, and unreliable, just like Conservatives warned. So, instead of wasting more time and tax dollars to appeal, will they just repeal Bill C69?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Failed approach on major projects, nothing was getting done in Canada because communities, Indigenous peoples and others kept taking every project to court because they didn't have a proper environmental assessment process, they didn't have a proper evaluation process for major projects. We changed that by working with communities, by working with companies to give that clarity that understood that it is essential to both protect the environment and build a stronger future. That's the only way to get things built. Unfortunately, Conservatives remain stuck in a world where they think you can ignore environmental responsibilities.